Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Jones, Director of Nutrition with Agri-King. I want to take a few moments to talk to you about high ammonia in forages. This would be in particular fermented forages such as baleage, grass silage, and haylage, alfalfa haylage. Ammonia is something we routinely test for at our Analab, and it is it develops in the forage when you typically get some dirt contamination in there that leads to unwanted organisms that break down protein. And the protein is then going to be used to generate ammonia. The ammonia itself can become a problem to the cow when consumed. At what I'll call moderate levels, moderate to high, ammonia gets in the blood system. It gets converted to urea nitrogen, which can then be detected as milk urea nitrogen, so that we know if something is happening. So typically your milk urea nitrogen will increase with ammonia. In a more severe case where you get a true ammonia toxicity, this can lead to various things such as pulmonary edema. That can have some frothing in the lungs, some liquid accumulation, bubbles, and these bubbles may come out the nose, sometimes with bleeding. Also, in a severe case, you get a chemical formed off the ammonia that develops a disease that's politely named bovine bonkers. This is a case where dairy cows seem to be a little bit crazy. They might charge at you, run into walls, do some odd things. So overall, ammonia is not good. If this forage is consumed by pre-fresh cows, ammonia is an alkalizing agent that we want to avoid in the blood. So how do we prevent this? First step is when you're raking your forages, try not to get dirt in them, and that'll minimize or eliminate the extra organisms that lead to the protein breakdown. Here at Agri-King, we use Silo-King to help preserve the forage and try to minimize some of these problems. If ammonia is elevated in your forages, and it does seem to be affecting the cows, and it could be modest, it could be reproductive problems through the high MUNs that you need to deal with, or a slowdown in performance, Agri-King has a product called Micro Double X can help keep the ammonia from getting into the system and try to minimize these problems. So overall, the most important thing you can do is pick your rakes up, don't have them drag on the ground, and try not to get dirt in your forages, and minimize the ammonia. We don't want that in our fermented forages. If you do have an issue like this and are concerned about it, feel free to contact an Agri-King representative, and we'll see what we can do to help you.